What's going on YouTube? Today we got rained out from our nice little track. Not really a bad thing. We couldn't get the race car done in time anyway. Trying to locate parts came down to the wire. Nobody could get them until Monday. So anyway, as you can see, I've got one heck of a tool haul. So let's get into it real quick. Right here, we have the comp cam, degree kit, CS head off. This is very good for the GM, especially the Ecotech, for dialing in the cams. Have a performance tool cleaning brush. Never have too many of those. GearWrench 3/8, part number 81253 Tango. These are the compact head. Got your stubby and your standard length. Lifetime warranty, 90 tooth. Really excited about those. Alright, got some Lisle tools here. Go over them real quick. 45100 brake spring tool. We do a lot of drum brakes, so still. So emergency brake release tool. This helps us, especially with, transforming compacts. 44210. And I have another emergency brake cable release tool, the 44220. Just because got to have variables. Valve lappers. I love the valve lappers myself, so I don't like power tools to do the job. I like to feel what I'm doing. Magnetic base. This has an articulate arm, and it's for the dial bore gauge that I have. It's a little generic one. Works well, especially doing stuff at home. It's not really that accurate as far as like detailing, but for us, all we're doing is honing, so works well for that. This is a universal spring compressor by CTA, part number 2235. This works well on the Ecotech. I have tried numerous ones, but for whatever reason, that kit works well. Here we have some generic. Get over here. These are 6mm, 1/4 inch burrs. Got 2 sets of them because you can go through them. Stare at scribe. OTC, part number 205377. It's the puller attachment. Allstar Performace, Clecos. If you don't know what Clecos are, they're what we use to hold up panels when we're doing riveting. Works well for race cars. Racer tape, specifically 200-mile-an-hour tape. This stuff we use a lot of. I got an extra roll just in case. I try to get rolls exclusive to every time I do a tool hole, but sometimes they're out. This is a 9302 25M. It's a contractor's first aid kit. We're not required to have these in the pits, but I tend to get one anyway. Can never be too safe. Yeah, there's paramedics, but I don't want to bug them unless it's absolutely necessary. Piston ring filer, manual. Once again, I like to feel what I'm doing. This is a 66785. Works well if you set it up right. This is a BRM, Brush Research Manufacturing, cylinder bore cleaning brush, specifically for the 3.5 89mm bore that the Ecos run. Get over here. Ice tools. This is a cable plier, specifically for doing drum brakes, as you see there. This would have came in handy for my truck, but it wasn't here yet. BRM Flexone. This is, where's the part number? Somewhere. There we are. This is the 232, 89 millimeter, 3.5, 320 grit. Nice to knock off all that buildup carbon and everything. All right, got another block tester kit, the BT 500. It is made in the USA. Says here, when fluid changes from blue to yellow, combustion leak is present. Sweet. So, also got some caps, so we could do some smoke testing. And if I can get this big thing up. All right. This is from Motor Guard. This is a stud welder and puller kit. So anxious to try that out and pull out panels, because we all know with racing, trust me, you wreck it, you got to fix it. Or somebody wrecks into you, then yeah, you know, stuff happens. So, like I said, I had a day off, and, well, it wasn't really a day off. Got off of work at like 3 in the morning, and then, yeah, there's some of my pack out stuff. Like I said, my garage is trashed right now. It's racing season, so, you know, bear with me. Anyway, turned around, got back up to the shop by 10 in the morning. Okay, now mind you, the shop is an hour and 15 minutes away. So, running on little to no sleep. We get up there. I'm about ready, like one street away from the shop, and they called the races due to rain. Luckily, when I got there, the other guy, David, was supposed to go to the parts store and try to secure some parts at 7:30 in the morning. He went there, but they don't have any parts in stock. So, we got lucky. So with that, I'm cutting this video short. Like, comment, share, subscribe. If there's something in detail that you would like to know more about, let me know. Yes, and back there is my JNC 660. So that goes to the track with me. With that, just keep it on the track.